back live on YouTube.
Judge, we didn't go over the docket with Miss Trish.
I did.
Do you want to?
I didn't report.
What do you mean? I thought, what does she need to know? Sorry,
The resets, our resets for today?
Oh, I'm sorry, Miss Trish. Golly, my document is such a mess now. I believe on page 3, Medina was reset.
Yes.
Okay, and going to page 4, Reyes was taken to the courthouse. And then Rodriguez at the bottom of the page, we're going to recall. And on page 5, Amber Segudo's on bond. And the one below that, Jesus Solis was a recall. And that's all I think I have.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
David, did I get everything for?
I believe so, Judge. Sorry, I wasn't keeping up. I was doing something
Okay.
else.
Well, at the end of the day, if you have a question on one, or Bella, you too, if there's something, we'll go over it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, thank you. I think there were a couple that I missed throughout docket, but now we're all caught up.
Okay.
Okay.
Judge, we're
So-
ready on Garcia, Desiree Garcia, page 2.
Page 2. Okay, Ms. Garcia has a new case and then she has 2 deferred. What's happening on these cases?
Judge, we have an agreement for on all 3. So it looks like the state's asking for 60 days on these cases to run concurrent, is my understanding. Is that correct, Talia?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. So should we plead on the new case and then on the 2 deferred cases? Is that right?
Yes, that's my understanding.
Okay, so I gotta pull up the new case. Let me see. That'll be the 539. I have that right here. Okay, Ms. Garcia, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I am about to share my screen with you. Get close enough so that you can see the screen, okay? Can you see the screen?
Yeah.
Is your name Desiree Garcia?
Yes.
Are you the same Desiree Garcia who, in this cause number 2026 CC 011539, who is charged with the offense of failure to identify as a Class A misdemeanor? Is that you?
Correct. Yes, it is.
Okay, for a Class A misdemeanor, it's possible in this case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 up to $4,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you also the same Desiree Garcia who in cause number CC 720513, who in that case is on deferred adjudication for the offense of assault?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you also the same Desiree Garcia who in cause number CC 73307, who in that case is also on deferred adjudication for the offense of resisting arrest?
Yes, correct, Your Honor.
On this new case, I'm looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. You've signed it, your attorney signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
I have, Your Honor.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
He did.
And do you understand it?
I do, Your Honor.
Okay, hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
And
Looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal that you have signed and your attorney has signed on all three of these documents, on all three of these cases. On the new case, when you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow the plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that?
I do, Your Honor.
On the other two cases where you're on deferred, when you signed this case, when you signed this document, you told me that you understand that if I revoke you on those deferreds, that you will have a limited right of appeal. Do you understand that?
I do, Your Honor.
So then, on this new case, in cause number 2026, 00111539, in that case, where you're charged with the offense of failure to identify, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
On your deferred cases, we are here on those two cases because there have been motions to revoke your probation and to adjudicate you guilty filed in both those cases. I'm going to ask the prosecutor to take them one at a time. I ask the prosecutor on cause number CC 72051, where she's on deferred for assault. Could you please read the alleged allegation in that case?
We're proceeding on a violation of condition number 4, which is the only violation, that in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Desiree Marie Garcia, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of June and July 2024 in violation of condition number 4.
Is that allegation true or not true, ma'am?
True, Your Honor.
On the other case, cause number CC 73307, the resisting case we on deferred, could I ask the district attorney to please read the alleged violation in that case?
Proceeding on the violation of condition number 4, that in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Desiree Marie Garcia did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of June and July 2024 in violation of condition number 4.
And to that allegation, how do you plead? True or not true, ma'am?
True, Your Honor.
Okay. On the new case where you pled no contest, you understand that on that plea, the court can still find you guilty.
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody forced you to enter these pleas?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargains that your lawyer got for you, anyone promised you anything in order to get you to do this?
No, Your Honor.
You're doing these pleas of your own free will.
Yes.
Can I have the plea bargain on the new case, please?
Yes, Your Honor, it is for a $0 fine plus court costs, 46 days Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money running concurrently. She has 23 days.
I'm going to judgment satisfy that case. You agree to the plea bargain in that case, Mr. Gary?
Yes, Judge.
You agree to that plea bargain in that case, Ms. Garcia?
Yes, Your Honor.
The court having heard your plea of no contest in that case, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I send you to a $0 fine plus court costs, 46 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run concurrent, the judgment satisfied in this case. Now, hold on, I still have to do 2 other cases or else you get stuck in jail, so just bear with me, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Now I need to go do one of the probation cases. So 1 minute. Okay, in cause number CC 733-071, where you're on deferred adjudication for resisting arrest, the court having heard your plea of true to the violation of number 4. The court accepts that plea of true. I revoke your probation. I hereby adjudicate you guilty of the underlying cause number, the underlying offense of resisting arrest. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. And is the plea bargain the same? I'm sorry, on these 2
It
cases?
is, Your Honor.
Okay. And I follow the plea bargain. I sent you to 46 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run concurrent. The judgment is satisfied. Okay, and I have 1 more to do. Give me 1 minute.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and cause number CC 70513. And that cause number where you're on, I think, deferred adjudication for assault, I believe. Yeah. In
Yes, Your
that
Honor.
case, the court having heard your plea of two to the motion to revoke your probation, the condition number 4, the court accepts that plea of true. I revoke your probation. I adjudicate you guilty of the underlying offense of assault. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs, 46 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run current. The judgment is satisfied. Okay, do you know if these are the only cases holding your client?
Yes, these are the only ones, Judge.
If these are the only cases holding you, man, then you should be released sometime today, okay? Good luck to you.
Thank you so much, Your Honor, and thank you, Mr. Warren.
And
Yes.
Mr. Gary, thank you. If this is the only thing you have with me, then you can be excused.
Yes, Judge. Thank you. Thanks, everyone. Have a good one.
Thank you. You too.
Let's see what I got on my screen now. Okay, so who do we have next?
Next is Felix Mario, page 5.
Yes, Judge, we're ready.
Okay. He's an English speaker?
Yes,
Not
Judge, he is.
Okay. Okay, and I'm looking for him. Where is he on my camera?
Last page, all the way at the bottom.
No, I've got him
On the camera,
Oh,
he's in that weird area. He's not like in our normal place.
Okay, Debbie, I need some help here.
Oh, sorry, Judge. I
Hello?
forgot they were in the
You need to bring him up because I don't have him anywhere on my screens.
Yeah, he's letting the bailiffs know to bring him in.
I see him in breakout room 5.
There he is, Judge.
See him now. Okay. Mr. Felix,
Yes, sir.
you raise your right hand for me. Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. All right. Do you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Your name Mario Felix.
Yes, sir.
What you say, Mario Felix, and this cause number 2026 CC 011463, who's charged with the offense of criminal trespass. Is that you?
Yes, yes, sir.
This case is a Class B misdemeanor. It's possible in your case that you be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir.
Looking now at a document entitled Consent to Plea by Video that you signed and that your lawyer signed. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you've signed it, your attorney signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right to Appeal. You signed it, your lawyer signed it. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, Judge, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
So then, to the offense of criminal trespass, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, sir.
One
As soon
minute.
as I was like, no, man, as soon as you said that, I gotta report that, he started being like, no.
You understand on the plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty.
I say again.
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to do this?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain, anyone promise you anything in order to get you to do this?
No, sir.
You're doing this of your own free will.
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it?
Yes, Your Honor, it's for a $0 fine plus court costs, 23 days Bear County Jail with credit for time served, time and money to run concurrently. He does have at this time 28 days.
I'm going to judgment satisfy this case. You agree to this plea bargain, Ms. Garcia?
Yes, I do.
You agree to this plea bargain, Felix?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Felix, the court haven't heard you plead no contest, excuse me. On that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to $0 fine plus court costs, 23 days in the Bear County Jail. Leaving credit for time served, time and money run current. The judgment is satisfied. You know, if this is the only case holding your client, Ms. Garcia,
I believe it is, Judge.
if this is the only case holding you, sir, then you should be released sometime today. Good luck to you. Okay? Tell the deputies that we're finished. And Ms. Garcia, if that's all you have with me right now, then you can be excused.
Thank you so much, Judge. Bye-bye.
Love my white girl. You didn't? All right.
Judge, we're waiting on an
Okay.
interpreter.
All right, thank you for that.
Okay,
All right.
we
No problem. I know I
mute
got
that
you.
other guy there?
You're already being released today.
All right, good. Oh, drive me nuts. And so the next one's gonna be Perez, Juan Carlos Perez. And he's a Spanish speaker that we're waiting for the interpreter on. Is he our last one? Or do we
Yes,
have more?
Judge. No, he's the last one.
Okay. Woo. You guys have ridden me hard and put me up what today? Ah,
Good job, Judge. Good job.
so we need the interpreter waiting on Arlene to come back, right?
Yes, Judge. I texted her earlier, but they didn't have one at the time. She said it'll be a few minutes. While we wait, I'm gonna go over the docket again.
Okay.
So on page 1, that's all been either not satisfied or satisfied.
Right. We're taking things on all those.
Page 2, same thing, all satisfied. Page 3, Medina Matan was reset to August 4th.
Okay.
Page 4, Ismael Reyes went to the courthouse.
Correct.
Rodriguez at the bottom of page 4 is a recall for tomorrow. Page 5, Segura released on bond.
Right.
Solis and
recall.
Yes, and that's it.
Okay.
And we're just waiting on the interpreter. Yeah.
Thank you, Debbie.
You're welcome.
The prisoner right now is muted, which is okay with me because there's a lot of ambient noise. But once we get the interpreter, we're gonna have to ask him to unmute him over there at the jail, Debbie.
Okay, Judge.
And we're gonna have to ask them to help us do the interpretation button over there as well. I hope they know how. Another possible glitch they're gonna have.
Okay. Judge, on Guidry, Dylan Guidry, was both of those cases? I know he had three. One was TIC. The failed to ID was TIC, but the other two were they both concurrent? 50 credit for time served. JSAT.
They were JSATs. Whenever they're JSAT, I don't do the concurrent thing because I figure the judgment's added, so it doesn't need to be done.
Oh, okay. Bella, do you know if was that 50 days?
I can look it up real quick. My bad.
Okay, sorry.
No, you're good.
I'm pretty sure that when I normally do these things, if I JSAT one, I'm going to JSAT the other.
In
I'm
this
not-
case, he only pled on one. One was
Yeah,
dismissed outright and one was TIC.
Okay. Are we
Okay,
talking,
so
are we talking Guidry?
Yes.
wait, I'm
Guidry,
confused. I'm
no, he
sorry.
had two that he pled on. He had an assault. He had two assaults.
Two
And then
assaults.
the TIC was the failure ID.
To answer your original question, Miss Debbie, on 2026 CC 010074, he did have 50 days, and it was a JSAT.
Okay.
And then on that plea, they TIC'd the one ending in 77, and then I have another dismissal for the one ending in 71.
Oh, okay, that was
Oh,
dismissed. I take it back.
okay,
I'm
I didn't
sorry.
get that one then. That one was dismissed also?
Yes.
Okay, thank
My
you. That's
mistake.
the one.
Sorry.
Yeah, that's okay. I missed that one too, Judge.
Okay, so
Thank you.
we're still waiting on the interpreter.
Yes, Judge, I believe they're short-handed over at the courthouse. The attorney knows Spanish.
No, I used to do that in the old days, in county court days, but I would be more likely to do that if we were in person than on Zoom.
Okay.
I once made the mistake of making my bailiff be a translator. His idea of Spanish and my idea of Spanish are two different things, completely. Hola, dice.
Oh my.
No, it's not a good thing.
It varies. It varies across the board.
But I tell you what, if I give it another 5 minutes, if you're desperate enough and want to do this plea, would you mind doing that if I asked you to, Miss Varian? Would you feel comfortable doing it? Let me ask you that.
Sorry, what was that, Judge?
Would you be willing to translate in this case if we can't get a translator within the next 5 or 10 minutes?
I would prefer to get a translator for him,
Okay.
but I
Okay.
mean, worst case scenario, yes, I will do it.
Well, otherwise we may just reset this case,
Yeah.
if we can't get one.
Okay.
Is this the last one, Your Honor?
This is the absolute last one. It's holding us all hostage here.
Well, we did pretty good on a 5-page docket.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Miss Variel, does your guy have an immigration hold?
Yes, he does.
Okay, so if we can't get a translator here, I'm not going to feel bad about recalling this for tomorrow because he has an immigration hold. It's going to hold him anyway.
Right. Yeah,
So-
that's completely fine.
I have no objection, Your Honor.
Well, that's good to know. Debbie, can you call him and tell him that we're thinking of resetting this case for tomorrow, or if they can't get us a translator, see what they tell us.
Yeah, I'll text Arlene, see if she'll answer.
So I had to buy not a new car, but a new to me car over the weekend because my 2016 Tahoe gave up the ghost.
Oh,
It was
Where'd you
done.
get? Because I love cars. Where'd you get?
I got a 23 Ford Explorer King Ranch.
Oh wow, how nice is that? Oh, we're live on YouTube, so
There you go,
Uh,
world.
I've been extravagant, just going crazy on cars. But I these days I don't test drive them; I test sit them because I have to find out if not only can I get in, but can I get out. So I went to the Porsche dealer
Oh
and I
no.
test sat in all those cars, and the good news is I can't get out.
That's good for you. You don't want
Yeah,
to
it is
buy
good
one
for
of
my
those.
pocketbook as well because I was just going. I don't call it middle age crazy. These days it's old age crazy. Thinking, I've had all these cars, but I never had a Porsche, so I thought I'd, try and look. But yeah,
Yeah.
but
Getting out
my
is the
my
problem.
car is really in good shape. I've only got like 25,000 miles on it. I've had it since 22, but it's starting to show its age a little bit. It's a great car because it's a plug-in hybrid, so I can plug it in overnight and get 30 miles of just electricity on it before it kicks into being a regular hybrid. So I mean, I have an extraordinarily low gas bill on
That's
that car.
nice. Do you
But
plug it? Did you have to have something installed at your house to plug it in?
no, I just have a regular plug that does takes 8 hours at night to charge it, but I don't care because I'm doing it overnight. And so if you wanted a faster charge than that, you'd have to spend some money to get an adapter. But I just do it overnight.
Does that make a big difference on your electric bill?
Well, I'm kind of a techie weirdo. I've got solar panels as well. So
I wish I did.
I have solar panels, and so that solar panel expenditure has been worth the cost for me. It brought my electric bill down by a third
Oh wow.
each month. So and I spend and it's such a cheap loan. It was back in 420 when loans are like at 2%, 3%. So it's almost like free money. So I haven't paid it off on it. But it's about $150 a month that I pay on that loan. But I think the savings in electricity over the term of the year has been good.
I have
And
solar
I've not
panels
noticed
too.
any increase in my bill by just slow charging my car at night. Have not at all. So
You have solar panels, Alex?
Yes, best thing ever. The only good thing my ex did for me.
okay, remember we're on YouTube.
Oh,
she said she said
Turn
nice
it off,
things.
Canales.
Let me turn off YouTube.
I'm kidding,
Go
I'm
any
kidding,
further with
Judge.
this. Let me turn off YouTube.
That's all right. He knows
She's on
that's
her
the
way.
only good thing he did.
Oh, is she on her way?
Yes, Judge.
Sorry,
Okay.
Judge. Sorry.
Well, then I won't turn off YouTube.
No, but
Oh,
like
my lady.
Judge, my electric bill is even lower. It's comes
Yeah,
out.
and mine, I don't make enough to sell them, but I make enough to discount my usage every month by a substantial amount.
Yeah.
I know.
Well,
I
my
used
I have
electric bill's
I will not buy a
low.
fully electric car because I have range anxiety. I always think, I'm going to have to travel somewhere. I'll never find a place to charge. So I like the idea of having to plug in they're coming up with new cars like about 2 years. They're called extended range electric cars. Basically, they have a motor in them, but all that motor does is recharge this huge battery that's in the car. And those are going to be coming in about a year or two. And those should be, if you have range anxiety, those should be great cars to have because you're not going to have to worry about traveling across country and worrying about electrical charge. You just need to worry about filling up that little motor and having it charge up your battery in the car. That's going to be
I imagine those will be quite a service item.
Yeah, any electric / gasoline cars, you can't. The days when you can open up the hood and do something with the carburetor are gone. I mean, those type of cars are like 1950 cars. They're not any new car. Even if you get a new gas car, you just
You lift up the hood and it's just a bunch of closed systems.
That's right.
You can check your oil and your water
Maybe a
reservoir.
radiator, there's a radiator, but you know,
That's it.
that's not it.
Yeah, the days of what was it you used to do to block open the what was it? To keep the car running, sometimes on those older engines, you would have to keep not the choke, but something that you would leave open. You would stick a screwdriver in it or something to block it
Carburetor,
open.
maybe?
Yes.
Carburetor, yeah.
So
Not
you
that I
could
know that
go.
much about cars, but yeah. But they're all faster. I mean, those electric motors in those cars are instant go. You have a car with an electric motor in it, and you hit the gas pedal. It's like boom. You know, it's like you're going into hyperspace. Warp factor 5, Mr. Zulu. I mean, they're incredibly quick.
Just 5?
Well, you know, I'm from the old original Star Trek. I think the normal warp factor for Mr. Zulu was usually 5 when Captain Kirk told him go ahead. Now I don't remember what the other guy Picard would say. He'd say engage. He would say.
I think he had 10.
Oh, did he? Yeah. Well.
But you can't beat Scotty. Scotty was giving it all he could.
That's right. We don't have enough dilithium crystals, Captain.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I'm a Star Trek nerd.
Interpreters right now. What's going on, Debbie?
Sorry, Judge. She says she's on her way, but I think they do they interpret in person, so she's probably walking to her office. She texted me she was on her way.
Aha, I hear it. There he is, the interpreter. Ya por fin, Arlene.
Sorry,
Ya por
Villarreal.
fin.
Hello. I'm
Hello.
back.
Okay,
Sorry
let's
for
see.
the wait.
That's all right. Can we? I got to do my end first. So here we go.
Yeah, the whole thing again. Sorry, Judge.
No, I got to manage
know.
interpretation now. I got to do manage.
Judge, I'm asking him to unmute, but I don't know if he understands.
Señor, ¿me
Wow.
escucha? En español está puesto el silencio, tiene que prender el micrófono. Si no sabe, pregunte a los guardias cómo hacerlo.
Oh, listo.
Okay, is my end working, Arlene?
Perdón.
Yeah, I'm just worried. I'm just concerned about my end. Did I just do everything right on my end? Okay. Okay. Oh, good. Debbie, can you get one of our deputies to call over there and get them to help him?
Yes, Judge. You need the interpretation button over there, Judge?
Yeah.
Okay, Judge, I told her.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, I did not.
So you do
All
start,
right. So can you raise your right
we're not
hand?
gonna do it on the screen. But
Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So help you God.
Should say first.
No. No.
Arlene? Okay. Yeah, I can now, but I didn't do the translation before. Okay. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay. Is your name Juan
Okay.
Carlos Hernandez Perez?
Sí.
Are you the same Juan Hernandez Perez who in this cause number 2026 CC
Daniels, I'm just doing a test, okay?
1914 who's charged with the offensive driving
So you
while
go to more,
intoxicated? Is
And
that
it'll
you?
pop up here and say interpretation. You just
Sí.
click on it and then you drop it down to Spanish or whatever
Okay.
is changed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. In this case, it's
Yes.
possible that you can be
Yes.
punished
So you have to go to more.
anywhere from a minimum of if this is DWI first. Yeah, it's anywhere from a minimum of 72 hours in jail at the maximum 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 up to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case, sir?
Sí. Sí.
Okay, I'm looking at a document
Yes.
entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you signed, that your lawyer signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. Is that correct?
Sí.
I'm looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. You have signed it. Your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Sí.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Sí.
And do you understand it?
Sí.
Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
No.
You understand that a plea of guilty or a fine of guilty could affect your immigration status in this country?
Sí.
In other words, if you have a green card, it is possible you can lose a green card. It is possible you could lose your right to become a naturalized American citizen. It is possible that you could be deported. Do you understand those three possibilities?
Sí.
Mr. Real, did you discuss the immigration consequences with your client? Does he understand them?
Yes, Your Honor, I did, and he does.
All female units, Sinatra, Never AM.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, which you have signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor. If you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Sí.
So then, to the offense of driving while intoxicated as the first offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No me opongo.
Okay, 1 minute, please. You understand that on a plea of no contest, that the court can still find you guilty?
Sí.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No.
Besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you, besides that, apart from that, has somebody promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No.
Are you doing this of your own free will?
Sí.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please decide that there is?
Yes, Your Honor. Excuse me. It is for a $0 fine plus court costs, 30 days, Bexar County Jail. That is 30. Credit for time served, time and money to run concurrently. He presently has 22 days.
I'm going to judgment satisfy this case. Do you agree to this plea bargain, Ms. Villar?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you agree to this plea bargain, Mr. Hernandez?
Sí. Sí.
Then the court, sir, having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 30 days in the Bexar County Jail, give you credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. 1 minute. Give me.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, you've already told me that he has an immigration hold. Does he have any other holds on him, Miss Muriel?
No, Honor, just the ICE hold.
Okay. So then, as far as this case is concerned, sir, this case no longer holds you. The only thing holding you is an immigration hold. Good luck to you, sir.
Gracias.
De nada. Okay. Everybody, okay, the interpreter, thank you so much for helping us out today. All right. And you can be excused. Thank you. Everybody else, let me ask Bella, can we excuse the prosecutor now? Bella?
Yes.
We can excuse Valverde, right?
Yes.
course.
Okay, and we can excuse the court reporter.
Absolutely.
Damn,
Turn
are we
off
good or what?
YouTube.
All right, then can we excuse me?
Yes.
Okay.
Go get that Porsche.
Shop or shop. Yeah, no.
Good job, Canales.
No, next cars I'm trying to the other high-end cars, but not that one. Okay.
Bye.